When I had started to sell paintings, firstly I used to take the paintings from the well expert or renowned artists from India, whether they are related to BHU or Patna University or the Lucknow universities. I used to contact with them, and after getting the proper communication, they send me the photographs of these things. Your question is that what I faced. I faced that things. Actually, I was not an artist. Still, I am also not an artist. But I have to convince the other person as an artist. It was very complicated for me. Initially that I faced that things that I don't have too much idea about the acrylic paintings or the colors or the watercolors. But gradually, while convincing them, within 6 to 7 months, I became very happy that I am able to convince them in painting world's world. So there is a statement in English that slow and steady wins the race, and unless and until having proper experience, you cannot do anything in your life.
First problem you have to face convincing problem, because you were not an artist. Even you have to face even you have to convince on that person who sell painting. So sir, I want to ask a question as a student. According to your opinion, because and according to your experience, because sometimes you were a selling man of a painting. So sir, a student should take education in painting.
There is a big career. There are many options. You can do bachelor in fine arts, master in fine arts, diploma in fine arts, and after that there is government vacancy also, applied art vacancy or the fine arts vacancy. If you go to the UP or other states, even the Jharkhand government is also decided to start such option. So don't think that there is no option in any section. Every section has some option. You have to search that section, that how far I am able to continue with this or not. You should have a proper knowledge. Whether you don't have knowledge, then you can get that knowledge from the other sectors. You can talk to some person, those who are in this same field or same skill. I think you can learn, you can get. Options are always at your door. You have to open the door and then find out the proper system that this is choice, this is the right choice for me. Options are not waiting for you. Once you did not select it, once you don't select it, then it goes to other door. Okay, so you have to find out, you have to see, you have to work. You will have a such technical process in your brain that how I can judge it.
Painting is the best or proper mode to express the feelings.
It's very simple to answer you. Colors are our best friend. If you have color, you can win the heart, you can win the mind, you can win the entire world. Thousands of the artists, those who are well renowned in the world, they are still alive in the heart of every artist because of their paintings. Every painting has a message, every color has a message. If you are using black, there is a tone of black, there is a tone of blue, there is a tone of white. When you have taken the red color, there is a proper reason. A brain is, why your brain has selected that colors. It means your brain is talking with that colors and you are thinking, no, really this is applicable and suitable for, this is the right stroke. So every painting has a message, every color has a message, because color denotes situation. The grief in your heart, you used to patch white color. Why? Because your brain has a proper message with the proper colors, and after you patch on canvas or any other things. So naturally everybody becomes very happy and he realizes one thing, that color is not only a color, color has a prominent message. When you are in stress or distress, whatever the situation you are facing over that, and if you see the colors, if you see the films, if you see the posters, if you see your family photographs, your family photograph does not attract you. Your family photographs and its combination attracts you. Someone is in red, someone is in green, someone is in blue. On that particular situation, how they are standing, what they are doing, these kinds of the situations are affected by colors. Color has power to attract your brain, and color has power to distract your brain. Sometimes what happens, if a man who is peaceful minded or who is in peace, suddenly you saw red color, you become what happens that he becomes very nervous. If a person who is very aggressive minded and you are showing him the green or the blue or the white colors, he will not take interest in you. Means color indicates, color denotes situation. Has a situation. Our life is the combination of multi-situation. Variety is the spice of life. That means variety. What is variety? The color is the first symbol of varietiness.
Sir, according to your opinion, that color has to power to attract a person. Color has to attract a power. I mean to say that if you are in aggressive mood, when you show red color, when you see red color, then your mind become agree. Okay. So sir, there are different type of colors. There are different type of rice: red, blue, and black, white. But sir, we can paint a painting with only one color. We can paint. We can make a painting by white color, only by white color. We can make a painting only by black color. Then why there are different type of color we need?
Different people have different mind. Different people have different situation. Different people have different feelings. Some are happy, some are sad. Some are okay, some are okay. Some are in happy mood, some are in stress mood. So as per their situation, they select different colors. You cannot attract a single person by single color. If you like red, I like yellow. He likes other, she likes others. Why? Because our tastes are different. Our everything is different. We are studying in the same time, but the question is that we have a cerebrum. We have a signal system. Okay? And that signal system is not equal in all sides because